Learn English. Verb to be, present tense. Welcome to a new lesson. In English, as in other languages, verbs are action words. They tell us what the people, animals or things are doing. For instance, the cat plays with a toy. In this sentence, the verb is the word plays. Plays is an action word. The cat plays with a toy. In this example, Tom plays soccer. Again, we see an action word. That is the verb play. Tom plays soccer. In this lesson, we want to address one of the most important and basic verbs in English, verb to be, which describes the identity, qualities or condition of a person or object. Let's see, in the following example.
She is happy. We found the verb to be in the word is,
where it expresses a condition of a person.
She is happy.
We can also use the verb to be to express some quality. For instance, they are friends. In addition, the verb to be can be also useful to express identity, as follows.
I am a student.
In this example, she identifies herself as a student. But I want to draw your attention to another important aspect. We are using the verb to be in all three of these examples, but if you notice, in all three of these examples the verb to be has a different form in each sentence. Why? Because the verb to be is a kind of verb in English which we call an irregular verb. To put it simply, an irregular verb takes different forms in agreement with a subject that executes the action. To grasp this idea easily, let us create a table as follows. As previously taught in the first lesson, we have 7 personal pronouns in English, which we are going to write in the first column with the header of a subject. I for the first person, you for the second person, either singular or plural. He for a man or boy, she for a girl or woman, both for the third person, and it for things or animals. Then we and they for plural. Let's create the second column where we want to write the corresponding verb to be form. I am, you are, he, she, and it
is.
In the plural form, we and they are. As you can see, the verb to be can take 3 different forms.
I am happy.
You are happy.
He is happy. She is happy. It is happy.
We are happy. They are happy. This is the correct form to use the verb to be in such a way that if we say I are happy, it's totally wrong. Let's review the correct use of the verb to be. Please repeat after me. I am happy. You are a teacher.
He is in the kitchen. Or we could say Mark is in the kitchen.
Mark is in the kitchen.
She is beautiful. Or we can say Mary is beautiful. Mary is beautiful.
It is happy. Or the dog is happy. The dog is happy. Now, let's see with plural nouns. We are a family. We are a family. You are happy. You are happy. And finally, they are happy. They are happy. Great. Now it's time for a quick quiz.
Choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. You need to select the correct option between am, is, and are. As in this case, she is sad. Ready?
Good job! And here we need to make a point. We need to introduce a basic concept in English. I am talking about contractions. To put it simply, A contraction is a shortened form of a word or of a group of words, such in the case of I am. We can shorten it to I'm sad. We use an apostrophe to represent the missing letters. We use contractions in both written and spoken form. You are turns into your. You're a doctor. He is becomes his. He's sad. She is becomes she's. She is beautiful. In the same way, it is turns into it. It's an orange. We are turns into were. We're a happy family. And they are turns into their friends. So, let's recap. The verb to be can take three different forms. Three in singular, am, are, or is. In a single form in plural, are. Both in written and spoken form, we use contractions in English. That is, we can shorten words by omitting some letters. We use an apostrophe to represent those omitting words. So let's finish this lesson by looking at this grammar in use.
Okay, now that we already know some aspects about the verb to be,
we can briefly talk about the structure that is behind the use of this verb. Clearly, we can see as the first part of this structure a subject or pronoun, such as in this case, the pronoun I. Then as the second part of this structure, the verb to be. And finally the rest of the sentence. That can be an adjective or a noun, for instance. Let's type an example more. A cat is an animal. This is a singular sentence. We can transform this sentence to plural. Let's see. Cats, a plural noun. The verb to be in plural as well. In animals, also a plural noun. Cats are animals. Okay, you can write or say several ideas using the verb to be as follows. Let's say two different things about cats, for instance. Cats are animals. Cats are felines. As you already know, we can use here a noun or a pronoun if desired. So let's change to they are felines. Or even better, let's use a contraction. They're felines. Cats are animals. They're felines.
Great, here we have an example of two plural sentences used to describe cats.
Let's see a singular example now. London is a city. It's in the UK. As we are talking about the same noun, in this case London, we can use it. London is a city. It's in the UK.
If we want to highlight the structure again,
we can see the same simple structure. Noun, verb to be, in a noun again. Okay, let's see different examples. Repeat after me, in singular.
Tom is happy.
He is in France.
Tom is happy.
He is in France.
A bell pepper is a vegetable. It's red. A bell pepper is a vegetable. It's red.
Now in plural. They are a family. They're on the sofa. They are a family. They're on the sofa. Albert and Mary are happy. They're in the kitchen. As we are talking about two persons, we are speaking in plural form. Albert and Mary are happy. Now it's time for your homework. Please try to do it. Try to put into practice what we've learned right now. We can also use the verb to be to give information about the person. For instance, she is a Dura. She is from India. We are introducing a person by saying her name and where is she from. We can also use the same form to give information about ourselves. There is, for instance, hello. I'm George. I'm from America. Now, please go to post a comment to this video. Type a greeting by saying your name and where are you from. Nice. Great, we've finished this lesson. Please give a complete review to this lesson and don't forget to give a like to this video and subscribe to our channel for getting more lessons. And see ya in the next lesson, questions in negative form of verb to be in present tense.